Hello, today we will guide you through how to export tickets from Zendesk if you need to download ticket information for reporting, sharing, or offline review. Zendesk makes it fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the simple process of exporting tickets as a CSV file from a view inside Zendesk. A CSV file is a spreadsheet-friendly format, so once the export is complete, you can usually open it in tools like Excel or Google Sheets for further analysis. Begin by opening Zendesk and going to the home area of the agent workspace where your tickets are available. This is the main starting point for accessing ticket lists and save views. Before continuing, it's a good idea to make sure you're in the correct account and that the view you want to export is available, since the exported file will reflect the tickets shown in that view. Once you're on the Zendesk home screen, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Views. This section contains your predefined ticket lists, which may include categories like open tickets, pending tickets, solved tickets, or custom team views. Choosing the correct view is important because it determines exactly which tickets will be included in the export. If needed, take a quick moment here to confirm that the list on screen matches what you expect. After opening the view you want, move your attention to the top right area of the screen and click on Actions. This menu contains additional options related to the current view. In many cases, export settings are placed here because they apply to the list you're currently looking at rather than to an individual ticket. From the Actions menu, select Export CSV. This tells Zendesk to generate a CSV version of the tickets shown in that view. Depending on your browser settings and the size of the export, the file may download automatically, or you may be prompted to choose a save location. If the file doesn't appear right away, check your browser's Downloads folder or download bar. That's all it takes to export tickets from Zendesk. After the file is downloaded, you can open it to review the ticket data, sort it, filter it, or share it with others as needed. Just keep in mind that exported ticket files may contain customer or support data, so handle the file carefully and store it securely if it includes sensitive information. Thanks for following along, and that's how to export tickets from Zendesk.